Today we're bringing this fine decorative design to life together. I've chosen a lovely earthy khaki green fabric for our project this time. Take a deep breath, settle in, and let's begin by preparing our oval hoop. Stretching the fabric tightly like this ensures our stitches stay incredibly neat and comfortable to work on. Let's map out our pattern. Using a fabric marker and a ruler, I'm marking 6 vertical dots, each exactly 2 centimeters apart. This will form the foundation for 3 connected diamond shapes. Next, we'll mark 2 dots horizontally on either side of our center points, leaving a 1.5 centimeter gap. Now we simply connect the dots to draw 3 beautiful vertical diamonds. To add depth, we'll draw a smaller diamond right inside each one. Our pattern is ready, and it's time to stitch. For the outer design, I'm using a crisp white embroidery floss. If you look closely, you can see all 6 strands here. Instead of pulling them all at once, I like to separate them one by one. For this texture, we want exactly 4 strands. Let's thread our needle and secure a gentle knot at the back. We'll start with a classic backstitch, following the outer lines of all 3 diamonds. Keep your tension light and even. With our outlines finished, secure the thread at the back. Now let's transition to a tapestry needle using the same white thread. Come up on the inner diamond's outline, slide your needle under the outer back stitch, and loop it back through. We are gently weaving under the back stitches without piercing the fabric. Repeat this rhythm all the way around, filling the space between the small and large shapes. It creates such an elegant raised lattice effect. Let's move to the next shape until all 3 are beautifully filled. Remember to do this slowly. Let your mind relax with every movement of the needle. There is no rush here. Take your time, breathe, and give your hands and eyes a little rest. While you could finish this in a few hours, I highly recommend stretching it over 2 days. Enjoy the process. Now we're switching our thread to match the khaki green fabric using 4 strands. We'll start by laying down a few horizontal straight stitches inside the small diamond, leaving a tiny 2 to 3 millimeter gap between them. Starting from the bottom, we begin weaving. Slide under the horizontal lines, under the second and third, then looping back through the third and fourth and up to the fifth. This simple weave creates a gorgeous embossed textured center. I encourage you to experiment. Try tone-on-tone colors for a modern, subtle look, or use contrasting jewel tones against a dark fabric. Play with your favorite color palettes and let the results surprise you. This delicate pattern is incredibly versatile. You can use it to elevate ready-made dresses, add a bohemian touch to the cuffs of a blouse, or even embellish the borders of cozy pillow covers. I encourage you to experiment. Try tone-on-tone colors for a modern, subtle look, or use contrasting jewel tones to make the diamonds pop against your fabric. Play with your favorite colors and see how it transforms your wardrobe. Once the center is full, We'll frame it by outlining the edge of the small diamond with the same green thread to clean up the edges. And there we have it. Our design is complete. Thank you so much for stitching with me today. If you enjoyed this peaceful moment, please like, subscribe, and share your creations with me. Until next time, happy stitching!